Man. We all want to make some money, so let's talk about how to get some fucking money, bro. You already know. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, man. If y'all need any methods, check out the site or hit me up on Telegram. Let's get right into it, bro. So, scammers are everywhere. Scammers, I wouldn't even say scammers, I would say people who look for opportunity. You feel me? Every system, everything has a weak point. And a lot of people just do nothing all day but look for weak points in systems. And then you feel me? Utilize this to get some money. Alright, so I'm gonna talk to you about how scammers be making money all from Amazon. Like, obviously, we don't promote no illegal activity. I'm only here to inform y'all what's going on and how to prevent y'all from getting scammed. Let's talk about it, bro. Y'all already know. Like, comment, subscribe. If y'all need any sauce, tap the fuck into my Telegram. Alright. So, for this, basically, all they do is, first things first, you feel me? It ain't free. If you want to bust this down like they do, which I don't recommend, you're going to need a little bit of startup money. Now, you're going to need from $200 to $300. You're going to do a good $200 to $300. Once you've secured that, you could either go sell your P-Dish, you could either go sell turtles, go kidnap iguanas, whatever you do for your money, go do that money. Go make that $200 to $300 if you want to do what these scammers do, which I do not recommend, right? Once you have your bread, once you have the money, what you do is you go on Amazon, lollygaggy, lollydotty, and then you search this up. You finna search a check printer. Now, as y'all see, there's a bunch, and a bunch. Literally, pick whichever one suits your budget, fits your budget, and bada bing, bada boom, it's finna ship out. Now, if some of you guys are slow and still don't understand, basically what I'm talking about is how these scammers make money using checks. The check sauce is kind of easy. You feel me? The check sauce. Step one, you need the equipment, which Amazon got. Step two, you need the food. You need to know how to write up food. You feel me? Put some food in it. Once you put food in it, it's easy money, clean money. Now you post who has a bank account, who has a Chime, who has a this, who has a that, and then you feel me? You put the checks in. That's how they do it. They finna hit up blah blah blah. They finna use a bank account that's not theirs. Send the check through, and if the food they put was right, it was good food. That shit finna go through every single time. That's easy money. Checks are easy money as long as it's done right. You feel me? Give me 1 second. As long as it's done right, checks are always good money. Literally, they save up, go to Amazon, get this equipment, and turn $200, $300 into $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, all that shit, bro. All that shit. It's really, really easy. How these scammers just scam, you feel me? Always remember to keep your information safe. Damn, I'm high as hell. I can't even speak right now. Always remember to keep your information protected, safe, so you don't get scammed. If somebody asks you, hey, yo, let me drop a check in your account, say no. But this is what they're doing. Getting bread. Cook up a check. That's the machine. You cook it up. Once you cook it up, like I said, you just need to. If y'all need the actual step by step, like I always say, tap into Telegram. You feel me? Hit me up on Telegram or Instagram. I got you. I mean, it ain't for the free. YouTube's for the free. If you tap into Telegram, be money ready. But look, it's really easy, and this sauce really isn't going away anytime soon because banks are always gonna be there. Now, granted, the security always goes up and shit. Like, that's why you need to get the right paper, the right this, the right that, set of the right amount, all that shit. Like I said, this is why it's not just a plug in, plug out, but it really is a plug in, plug out for real. If you know what you're doing, this is easy bread. Write up 2 bands. You can literally write up 4 bands every morning. Get someone's account. Hey, who has an account? Who wants to make 1,000? Who wants to make 1,000? You give them 1,000. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, depending on what you use, it's always gonna take a day. You feel me? A day or two. And depending on the day, if it's a weekend, a weekday, blah blah blah, it's gonna take some time to deposit. But long as everything is done right, literally, it's easy, buddy, bro. These scammers are running it up. People, I know people that make easy 20 bands a month off checks. Easy 20 bands a month off checks, off of just bada bing, bada boom. You feel me? Write what you gotta write, put in what you gotta put in, wait, get the card, get the money, move on to the next one. Easy. Having these equipment be like easy access. Anybody could buy it. Anybody could get it. People just don't know about it. You feel me? Whew. Hope y'all had a good day, a good Thanksgiving weekend. Hope y'all got some Black Friday shopping and you feel me? Money waits for no man, bro. Money waits for no man, bro. We all gotta get rich. We all gotta get this bread. You already know. Tap in if y'all need any sauce, all of that. And by the way, this is for educational, informational purposes only. Like I always say, you already know. Okay. I'm mad high. What the fuck? Alright, man. Y'all have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe. If y'all have any questions, comment. If y'all hit me up on Telegram, be money ready. But make sure to like the video, bro. I'm out. Peace.